so we got a 2008 Tundra in here, and we tested the antifreeze strength on it, and it's basically water that's in there. So it's clean water, but it's water.
It's seriously water.
So we're gonna drain a gallon out, and we bought a gallon of red concentrate because that's what's supposed to be in it, and we're gonna drain a gallon out, and we'll put the concentrate in it. We're gonna run it and see what the strength is. It's clean. We don't have to flush it. So we're gonna just drain a gallon out, fill it with the gallon. We'll run it, and then we'll recheck. And we're trying to get to 34 below on our gauge here, and right now we're at 0. It's water. So we'll the drain plug is down over here. Tony will show you where that is, and I'm gonna have to go underneath and crack that. It's right down there on the bottom. I got the pan set up. I'm gonna go underneath with the creeper and grab it. I don't want to have to put this up in the air if I don't have to, and we'll get this thing draining. Okay, I just got a pair of pliers, and I'm just gonna crack this loose. We got our pan under there. All right, so we closed our petcock, and we have about a gallon out there. So it's a 2-gallon system, not quite. So we're gonna put a gallon of concentrate that we got in there, and then we'll run it, and we'll suck any water that's out of this surge tank here, and we'll fill that with whatever concentrate we have left over. We'll run it, and between the water and the antifreeze, that'll be our 50-50 mix. You know, someone put a new radiator in this vehicle and they just put water in it. Whether it came from a southern climate, don't know. We're not in a southern climate. So when we checked it and we found out it was water, we need to address this. You do not want to have an engine block freeze and blow a freeze plug out for, you know, a $15 gallon of coolant. So checking your coolant with the ball meter is like $6 for that tool. It's something you should really check, and to make sure that your antifreeze is up to strength. So we're gonna fill this right now. So we're putting our siphon in here, and we're good to 34 below now, and we were at 0. We ended up draining the radiator. We used about 1.5 gallons of coolant, and Richard bought the red, our customer, and so we actually have to top it off with all mix. So we end up putting like a quart of the all mix in there, but the bulk of it is all the red coolant that we purchased. So, but our antifreeze strength is good to 34 below. It's nice and clean, so we're good. As it runs longer, the color's going to get a little more red. That's probably the bulk of the coolant that's in there.